Here we have the 2016 Toyota Highlander in Blizzard Pearl with the beige interior. So it has the 19-inch chrome clad rims, fog lights, the pearl paint, and then it has the beige interior on the doors with wood grain trim here. Power driver, power passenger seat. It's perforated leather with the air conditioning switches just in below, or heated seats there. Huge center console with removable cargo tray. Dual climate or three-way climate control. Heated middle row with full power outlets and everything down below too. And it's a 7-passenger, so you can sit 3 people in the back. Power rear hatch. Comes with carpet and all-season mats. Even though it has the beige interior, you still have the black floors. Blind spot monitoring in the mirrors, which is turned on from there. You can open the power rear hatch here. Parking sensor, rear backup sensors, heated steering wheel, automatic headlights, Bluetooth and steering wheel audio controls, push button start. And it comes with backup camera, navigation system, satellite radio, heated mirrors, heated steering wheel. If you have any questions, give me a call. It's Mike Linterman at Mayfield Toyota. Oh, and one other thing, the full panoramic sunroof, which has tilt and can be fully opened with the wind deflector. And then you can actually close that whole rear sunshade as well.